So today we're going to use this Deluxe cooking blender, and we are going to make peanut butter in this many minutes. Two. All right, guys, I had to, hi Nancy, hi Pam. So look at my wonderful little sous chef over here. This is Cameron, and she usually comes to all of my open houses and customer appreciation parties, and her mom used to be on our team, but they can't come to our party on Saturday. So I invited her over today so we can try this out together, because I have not made peanut butter yet in this, all right? And this is the first day that this is out, guys. So while this is going, it's gonna be a little bit loud, so I just wanna explain really quick right now all about it. This is made of glass, and it has a heating element inside of here, which means it actually cooks. And the best part is when we're done making the peanut butter, your mom doesn't have to do the dishes, because all we're gonna do is push a button that says heated wash, and push this button and it's gonna wash itself. That's pretty cool. You're happy, aren't you? Because I was gonna make you do the dishes.
Cameron likes to do dishes too, actually.
My mom, when I was little, she took videos of me and sent it on Facebook.
Oh, really? I probably have seen them.
Yep,
Yeah.
she's dancing.
Yeah. Steve does the dishes here all the time. But all you have to do is rinse it out with the water afterwards, because there'll be soap in there, and then just dry it out and you're good to go. So it makes it really, really simple. All right, so hi Diane, hey Nance. So this blender, like I said, is not only a blender. Of course you can make your frozen margaritas in there and your smoothies and things like that. Hey, we got some thumbs up. Give him some thumbs up, Cameron. But you can also, since it has a heating element in here, it actually cooks for you. So making soup from just throwing in your raw veggies, or making a pasta sauce, same way. There's so many things you could do. In fact, there's two settings on here, a jam setting and a sauce setting, that are patent pending for Pampered Chef only. So anyone that makes their own jam, which I'm going to be making this week as well, you don't have to sit by the stove and take hours to do it. You just put it on there and you push that button and it does all the work for you. So it's really awesome. There's a heated puree, there's a soup setting, there's a grind setting, which is what we're going to use today. And you can also use it for your coffee beans if you want to get rid of your coffee grinder. There is a smoothie setting, which takes 1 minute, and there is an alternate milk setting. So for anyone that does not use regular milks like myself, I like to buy oat milk. You can make oat milk or almond milk or cashew milk or whatever kind of milk. I can't think right now, but tons of stuff. So in this, you guys have one of these. This is called the small batter bowl, right?
I use it for my kinetic sand. Wait, no, I use the small one.
This is the small one. Yeah, for your sand?
My kinetic sand.
Cool, I don't know what that is. You'll have to show me when I come over. That sounds fun. Okay, so this has how many cups?
3. I mean 4.
Right, so she was thinking 3 because we needed 3 cups of peanuts. I already told you, right? So this actually is a little bit confusing, guys. So tell me what you think. So we bought these dry roasted peanuts. They're unsalted. That's the kind of peanut butter we like to buy normally. No salt, anything else in them except peanuts. And it says 16 ounces. So Cameron's mom is a school teacher, 3rd grade, right? And I'm like, wait a second. So 16 ounces is usually 2 cups, if I'm not mistaken. Right? That's what we said. And this actually went 3.5 cups in here. So I can't figure it out how 3.5 cups fit in here. I bought a bunch of them, so I don't understand it. But the recipe is in the cooking guide that comes with it. I didn't flip the camera around, so I'm sorry. But there's 60 recipes in here. 60! And so all it tells you to do, Cameron already read the instructions with me. It says to dump these into here. So I'm gonna let you do that for me. There's a little helper handle at the bottom here too, if you can see. So when this is hot, when it is done cooking something, you can use it here and not have to touch the glass. And there's a really nice size handle here as well that they're calling this knuckle guard. So when your knuckles, whether you're a guy using it with bigger hands, you're not gonna get hot as well. So that's another safety feature, right? All right, so will you do me a favor? Can you pour all those nuts into here? This is how easy cooking can be. All right, and that we don't need anymore. And Cameron, there's also measurements on here. So see, if you can see right there, so there's the 3 and there's the 4. So we're kind of in between. We're just almost a little over 3. So we're gonna place this right back here. I want you to feel this too. This is pretty heavy because it is made of glass, which is a plus, right? And then that heating element is inside here, which is like using your stove, and it heats stuff up. Now, the one thing that I love about all Pampered Chef products is safety is really important. We don't want anyone to get hurt, do we?
No.
No. So, and you have good knife skills already too, because your mom already taught you how to use a knife. So you cannot use this blender unless the lid is on there. So, hey Cassandra, hi Calvin, hi Bobby, Gidget. Oh my gosh, guys. So if it was like this and not locked in place, it's not gonna work. But when you close it like that, it will work. So
You hear a little click too.
Yeah, well, when it's on, you'll hear more than a click. Listen, I didn't even have it on yet. There's a little button. Okay, ready? Listen. So it's sort of like our quick cooker, which is right over there, because that sounds like R2-D2 from the movies. I don't know if you ever watched Star Wars and all that. I don't like Star Wars either, so it's all good. I'm with you on that. But anyway, so we call it R2-D2. But then it lights up blue. Can you see? Really pretty. And it's flashing because it's telling you custom blend. So in addition to all these other settings that we have, it will also do a custom setting at different temperatures, so which is really cool. Some on the market won't do that. And there's a regular pulse setting too. So if you guys can see, it looks really cool. And we're just gonna turn this dial until it gets to grind. Can you see it from there? Okay, so when it lights up, see? Okay, and then you're gonna do your job by pushing that button. And I just have to tell you guys, it's gonna get a little bit loud when the motor goes. And we're gonna take off the vented lid, and we're gonna use this tamper, which also comes with it. So you don't have to buy any extra accessories at all. It comes with this. It comes with your cooking guide, which is really important. It comes with a strainer bag, so if you're making your alternative milks or whatever, it's a washable bag. It's in my cabinet over there. And it comes with the whole, everything. Oh, little cleaning brush or a dual-sided cleaning brush, like one of these if you need to ever get in there and clean the blades. It comes with everything you need. And the best part is, you can get it for free by joining my team this month, or 60% off by hosting a party. So Cameron, you're gonna do the job for me and make this peanut butter. Ready? So I want you to take this finger, okay, and push that button. That's it. So it's telling you right here, 2 minutes and 20 seconds. All right, so when this starts getting stuck on the sides, we're gonna use the tamper and push it down. You don't wanna push it too much because it will not blend as well as you want it to. So just when it needs it, you can see it's starting to make peanut butter. Okay, you heard that? So it's like, push it down. There it goes. How much time left? 1 minute and 43 seconds left, and we almost have peanut butter, guys. There's no reason to buy peanut butter, right?
And so, like, I could put some honey in there or maple syrup, because she really loves maple syrup peanut butter. Not with, like, she doesn't really like jellies. She likes peanut butter and honey, or peanut butter and maple syrup.
Awesome. And you can put it on, have you ever had it on bananas? That's really good. You know, peanut butter and bananas and stuff.
My mom can't have bananas.
Well, you can though. And that will be a good little breakfast or snack also. So I'm doing a Cooking with Kids snack party. It's a mommy and me party soon. We have a minute left and it's really done. Okay? So I just want to tell you guys, if you like it chunkier, you can stop it. But if you like it totally smooth, you just let it do its thing. Awesome, right? And I mean, that's it. So it's also changing the blend setting on its own. It started at 5, now it's at 6. It's really going. And here we're almost done. Counting down, Cameron, counting down. 33, 32. To me, that is done.
Yeah. Does it turn off on its own?
We will see. I don't know if you can hear, but we were asked if it turns off on its own. So, oh, and Gidget says to say hi to you. She's on there.
Hi, Gidget.
You know Gidget? Gidget, no? She's on our team too now. She's a new consultant. All right, counting down. How many seconds? 3, 2, 1. Blast off! Woohoo! Your answer right there. It turns itself off. So this is like the coolest blender ever. That's all I can say, right? So you can also do, it was singing to us again, you can also do your own, yep.
Baby food.
Baby food is great in here. I did applesauce that the consistency was like baby food. It pureed it totally, but it heated it all up first, and then it cooked it, and then it pureed it, and it was great. But I'm thinking of, with chickpeas. Garbanzo beans, what am I thinking? Hummus. Hummus in here is fabulous, okay? There's also an appetizer that I want to make that I haven't yet called roasted red pepper walnut appetizer. Like it's like a hummus sort of, but it's a dip and it's delicious. So we're going to take this off, okay? And we're going to open it up for you to see. And you get to try it. So the consistency is really, really creamy. So you can even take your finger.
It is very creamy.
Because I know she washed her hands beforehand. We did. What do you think? We got a thumbs up, and there's no honey in there or maple syrup. Would you like to try
salt.
it too? Or salt. It does say you can add salt, but I'm not going to buy unsalted peanuts and then add my own salt, though it kind of defeats the purpose.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah?
That is good.
So this is the first time I made it too. Now we have peanut butter like stuck all over. But I do have to tell you guys, from other consultants making this already, we buy, like I said, the natural Teddy brand peanut butter. There's a layer of oil on the top from the peanuts, the way it settles all the time. And apparently that doesn't happen with this one. So, yeah. And a lot of people are keeping it in the fridge, and the consistency stays perfect. It doesn't even get too hard. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, I'm really excited about this. So peanut butter, and the next thing that I just wanted to tell you guys is when you pour this out into your jars, or what we're going to do at my parties in September, and guess who's having a September party? We're going to make chocolate cake, and we're going to pour the peanut sauce all over the top of it. Okay, so we get to use this at the party. Does that sound good?
Oh, you know how good it would be if you don't like peanut butter on your chocolate cake with like a raspberry puree.
Yeah, you could do that too.
Or strawberry or berry or strawberry rhubarb.
Or take your peanut butter to the next level with the cake, and you can buy Reese's peanut butter cups and chop those up a little bit and put those all over as well. All right. So, of course, we're going to have chocolate at all of my September parties, and we're going to be making this as long as there's no food allergies to peanuts. But yeah, so the fact is, when you take this and you pour it out, you can see the consistency right there. When you pour it out into your jars, there's obviously going to be a little bit stuck on the sides. And feel this, it's just a little bit warm, but not hot, right? Okay. When you do make a soup or something for like 30 minutes, this does get really warm. But so you can only scrape so much of the peanut butter out, so we don't want to waste it. So what would we make in that, do you think, if we left some peanut butter in there that we talked about earlier?
A shake?
We can make a milkshake, a protein shake, something like that. So should we try maybe?
Sure.
We should? All right, so do you guys want to hang on while we make this? Hi, Kat. It's my cousin in Florida. Do you want to hang on while we make a milkshake as well? And let me see some thumbs up, or if not, we'll just do it on our own and take some pictures. But I couldn't wait to show you guys this because it just came out today, and it's just fabulous. And to know that you can get it for free or 60% off even this month by hosting just a $200 party. I can do an online virtual party for you and wherever you are, and help you get this for 60% off or even free. So any thumbs up at all? Anybody want to see? Hi, Danielle. Otherwise, we'll just make the milkshake ourselves, and you have to trust us, and we'll take a picture with like a milk mustache all over Cameron. Is that good? Can you say bye to everybody?
Bye.
Thanks for joining us in our kitchen.